Ningbo Chendong Sports and Sanitarian Company Limited was founded in 2010 and is located in the economy-developed coastal city of Ningbo. Our company is mainly engaged in the developing and supplying kinds of waist support, posture corrector, sauna sweat shaper, and brace supports products. We know that the development of the company depends on the innovation and quality of the products. Therefore, our products have strict quality control, from the procurement of raw materials to the sale of finished products. Our company has established a quality management system that meets the requirements of the International Quality Management System, and we have ISO 9001-2015 certification. We continuously release the original innovations according to the market and customer needs, and always maintains the novelty and innovation of the products. We want the customer's thoughts and urgency. Solving problems for customers and meeting customer needs is our eternal pursuit. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Our company's products are sold worldwide. Our company has won the unanimous recognition of consumers with satisfactory product quality and perfect after-sales service. We have a professional R&D team. We can design and produce according to the drawings provided by our customers. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We're looking forward to receiving your inquiry soon.